Patriot Smoothie here at the Ottawa Courthouse. We just did a check-in date with the counsel for the accused, Mr. Barber and Miss Lich, Greenspun and Magus. Magus herself appearing virtually today. She had another matter, so this day was a housekeeping matter where the court tried to iron out some of the scheduling issues between the different council parties, who's available on what date, and basically what we came to is the next check-in date so that we can further iron out some of the maintaining conflicts will be on October 3rd, somewhere in the afternoon. Going to try and find the courtroom for that one. Can't really find it at this point, but it sounds like some of the council will be appearing on Zoom. I'm going to try to make it down again on October 3rd to see what's going on and report it back to you. But yes, so we have the check-in on October 3rd for another one of these, basically, again, a housekeeping matter. And then we have the trial itself resuming October 11th. And on that day, the judge has said that she will make her decision on the admissions 2 argument concerning the 8 witnesses, the 8 Crown witnesses that the defense is looking to exclude, basically because, as we've went over ad nauseum, is that they said that it's basically legally unnecessary in light of the admission the defense has made. We'll see how that goes. There's also a judicial pretrial, which is going to be taking place later this afternoon. That is off the record. That is where the council parties try and work out some of their differences and talk about things off the record, but in front of a justice or a judge, sorry, whichever it is. And that's what's going on here today. Just a lot of housekeeping. So as I understand, on October 11th, I believe it's a Wednesday, right, Chris?
I believe so, yeah.
So they'll be sitting that week, and my understanding was from October 11th onward, there would be 10 consecutive business days of court. So the rest of the week from Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, through the Monday to Friday the next week, and then I assume Monday to Tuesday of the week following that. But now it sounds like there may be some scheduling conflicts on October 23rd. I heard someone say they're trying to clear up October 30th, the 31st, and November 1st. And then there's additional time after that the court also wants. As my understanding, they wanted another 10 days after that. So at this point, it's really unclear. I know that they said that they want to proceed as if those 10 days will be sat through entirely consistently. So that's the approach right now. I'm sure we'll iron out some of those details on the next check-in date on October the 3rd. The Crown saying that they want, again, Greenspun wants this schedule from the Crown of how long they expect to take evidence in chief with every witness. And the Crown says that they'd like to provide some sort of a schedule or an estimate, but they cannot do that until they know exactly which dates are conflicted by each council party, Miss Magus, Miss Eunice, Mr. Greenspun, Mr. Granger. So that's where we're at right now. The defense has asked for this schedule, this estimate of how long it's going to take. The Crown says that's a reasonable thing to do. That's a reasonable request. We'll try to get that to you as soon as we can, but we need to know who's available when before we do that. So hopefully everyone can sort out these scheduling issues. They have a lot of other things going on. They're all very busy. This isn't the only thing going on in this building, and the judge stressing that all the time. But she did mention that she has another trial going on, but she told trial coordination that she needs this to take priority because it's just going longer and longer. That last part, my commentary, it's going longer and longer, and it's unclear when it's going to end. I hope we do get those 10 consecutive sitting days after October 11th. I'm pretty sure that will happen, but I'll report for sure where that stands after October 3rd. And from the Ottawa Courthouse, I'm Patriot Smoothie. Thanks for checking in.